Today we, as English students from second year, we were really happy to welcome students from FAM school. They were super sweet and smart students. We welcomed them at the lounge of LDC Center. They were super sweet and cute. They first introduced themselves, and then they asked them why English is important, and students from different stages, they asked them many questions. Their ability of speaking was just great, and then one of the cute girls from FAM school, one of the most smart girls I've seen ever, she presented a presentation about the importance of English language. She did really great. She was not even nervous, or for her age it was just perfect. And then she explained so many good points about her presentation. Her acting was so good, she was so smart, and then we asked her so many questions. Her ability of answering the questions was also great. We wish them all the best. They are super cute and sweet. Personally, I asked them if they have music as a part of their education system, and they asked yes, we have different things like musical, acting and things. So it is really a great thing that they have these things, because it really helps for education system.
Fortunately, today we could meet the students from FAM school to be here in presenting a seminar and discussion about how to teach, how to engage the students, I mean our students, the students from the English department, to actively teach the school children. First of all, we'd like to thank the FAM school to open the door for us to make this collaboration between us in order to be able in the nearest future to make our students engage in a real effective teaching, meeting with their students and children. I would also like to mention this point that the students' English level is quite high. I do appreciate their effort and work to make their students have this level of language. This will make life easier for all of the students in the English department and the children in FAM school to collaborate and have a sort of cooperation between each other to continue with implementing the new methods of teaching. Thank you very much. That's all I have for you. Thank you.
Okay, so I appreciate your listening, and thank you for listening to me.